Hello friends, how are you all? Today in this video I am going to show you how to clean the front wheel disc brake assembly in XUV $5 W8. First of all, remove the tire.
After removing the tire, we can see here the caliper assembly. This is brake pad sensor wire, ABS sensor wire, fluid pipe, and this is caliper assembly. This is ventilated disc brake. Now we have two bolts here which can uninstall the caliper assembly. One is here and other is here. We can untighten any bolt to lose the caliper assembly. I have loosened it. This is the bolt. I think it's a 16 mm bolt. This is bleeding valve. Now we can open it. No need to open the other bolt at the bottom. This one, no need to open that. Now these are the brake pads. One is behind the disc brake, another is in front of disc brake. These are the master cylinders which come out when brake is pressed and goes back when the pedal is released. Now we can take these pads out by applying small force. These are the holding clips. These are the holding clips. One at the top, other at the bottom. Same manner for the pad behind the disc brake. Now we can take out the pad. This is the latest version of pads replaced by Mahindra Golfer pads. Always put it facing towards the sky. Then we will.
Now I will remove the other brake pad, same as I did before. But to remove it completely from its place, first of all, loosen the grip. This grip is for sensing the worn out of the pad. Remove the grip like this, and the other stationary part we have to separate it from the car's body by pressing the locks and taking it out like this. As you can see, the inside thimble is very neat and clean, as this grip is weatherproof. So we will take it out and start cleaning of this pad.
Orange color inside it. Now we can remove the other pad. The pad condition is okay, but as a regular maintenance I am going to clean these pads. caliper assembly. We can also remove these clips, holding clips, so that we can easily clean them with the brush. See, the color is coming out like copper. Clean the setting of this clip where it is going to fit. After taking examine how much is needed, as if you want. It's not completely clean. Clean the piece. Again, you place the placement. Click sound will come when the complete. Let the pads on the dry place too, so that it can fully dry. This is 4th clip which hold the pad at the behind the disc. The pad which is going to one clip. All the clips are in their place. Now, master assembly is pads are there in their place. Squeeze them so that they can fully make contact with the disc brake. Now put on the master cylinder assembly. It is in its place. Now put that bolt which was removed.
So now after fixing the bolts of caliper assembly, the works will be finished. This was all about how to clean the front disc brake system in XUV 500W8. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.